Oh, good morning, guys. You all might be wondering what I'm sitting here and doing and sipping this cup. So, I'm having my white tea, which I normally have either in the morning or before sleeping in the night. Yes, white tea is a very good source of antioxidants and also a good source of avoiding stress. So, good morning, and here we are to discuss the sperm health today. My patients often ask me, ma'am, how can we improve the sperm count? How do we improve the sperm motility? What are we supposed to do for our lifestyle? So, let's discuss how the top foods that improve sperm count and motility naturally affect the sperm health. Yes, when you plan a fertility, sperm health is equally important, just like the health of the eggs of a woman. When couples face difficulty conceiving people, they often assume that the issue lies with the woman. Nobody focuses on the male counterpart, but in nearly 40% of the infertile couples, the cause is related to the male partner, and therefore we must never forget to evaluate the male partner also when we are assessing that why a couple is not able to conceive naturally. And one of the most important factors in male fertility is sperm health. By sperm health, I mean the count, the motility, the morphology, and the DNA of the sperm, which we normally assess through a DNA fragmentation index. In this video, I'll share the top foods that have been scientifically proven to boost sperm health naturally and support the overall male infertility. Now, if you ask me why nutrition matters for sperm, so nutrition matters for everybody, whether it's you, me, or all the reproductive health or the reproductive health of the sperm or the eggs. So nutrition is very important, and nutrition is important for spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means sperm production. Sperm production or spermatogenesis depends on proper hormonal balance in our bodies, and this hormonal balance is important because otherwise we will not have the good amount of sperms. Our morphology and motility will be affected. So antioxidants and cellular energy play a very important role in the overall hormonal balance of our body, and which indirectly plays a role in the health of the sperm. Poor diet, smoking, alcohol, and stress can increase oxidative damage in our body, and which directly affects sperm quality and the DNA integrity of the sperm. That's why a nutrient-rich diet rich in fruits, diet rich in seeds, diet rich in nuts is very important and plays a critical role in improving sperm count and motility. Now let's discuss what are the top fertility boosting foods which can really enhance sperm health. Let's go through some of the best of them which you should include in your normal diet. On number 1, we have walnuts and almonds. How do they affect the sperm health? They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, and they improve the sperm motility and have got the power of reducing the sperm DNA damage. On the second number, we have pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. They are excellent sources of zinc and vitamin E and essential for testosterone production and healthy sperm development. On the third number, we have citrus fruits and berries. A good chunk of mixed berries every day, loaded with lot of nutrients. The berries are rich in vitamin C, and they help combat the oxidative stress and enhance sperm count. Now, how do we get this oxidative stress? Oxidative stress comes from lack of sleep, it comes from alcohol, it comes from caffeine. So, a good chunk of berries and citrus fruits is good to go every day. Leafy greens. When I say leafy greens, I mean spinach, kale, broccoli. So anything in green, sarson ka saag, it's winter time, so it's a good source of zinc. The leafy greens are packed with folate, which is vital for sperm DNA formation and reducing the sperm abnormalities. Another good source of sperm health, which has the power of improving the count, is eggs. They provide protein and vitamin B12, and these both are important for the strength of the sperm and also the structure of the DNA of the sperm. The next set of food is garlic and tomatoes. So how does garlic help? Garlic improves blood circulation to the reproductive organs, while tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene and which help enhance the motility of the sperm. Also, a good source of omega-3 fatty acids are the fishes. So fishes like salmon, sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and these support the sperm membrane health and overall fertility potential of a man. Now, to combat And to help this diet, you also need to do some lifestyle modifications. So what are these lifestyle modifications? You need to exercise regularly, and these exercises should not be rigorous. Moderate form of exercises are the best suitable form of exercises. Along with the fertility-friendly diet, it's equally important to maintain a healthy weight, and these moderate exercises help you do so. Avoid smoking, limit alcohol, reduce caffeine, reduce stress, and take a good amount of sleep. All these changes, along with a good diet, will help you maintain, balance your hormones, and also improve the overall sperm health. So remember, my dear couples, improving sperm health takes consistency. You can't expect it to improve in one day or 1 week. Consistency is very important with relation to your dietary changes and with relation to your lifestyle modification. Dietary changes show visible improvement in about 2 to 3 months, as that's the time required for the new sperm to form and mature. So stay consistent, stay healthy, and if you have any ongoing concerns, consult a fertility specialist or take a fertility opinion.